All right, here we go. Here's the 7 pieces. So this is the name here, I guess. Aceroware. But they're fairly thick. I mean, probably more than a 16. Like it'll take some durability. It does have a little play in here, so we don't know what the longevity is going to be. I can feel a little rattle. This one's a little more tighter. Has the holes in there so that your grease will come out rather than stay on the spatula. Here's a longer one. This is a tighter handle. And the other long one with the holes so that the grease will pass through. And then you got yourself a chopper. And those are the tools. We'll see how they work out for 18 bucks. Can't be a bad deal. Okay, first cook on the new grill. And we're trying our new tools here. They seem to be working out fine. And if you haven't seen the video on this where I converted a Weber Spirit 200 series grill into a hot plate, check that out. I'll put a link down there in the description on the bottom there. But I've been trying the different tools out and they seem to be working fine. And stainless on stainless is great. Just skips along there and you don't have to worry about really seasoning it except for just putting your oils down, which I like. And we're going to do some vegetables on top of here too once these start cooking down. All right, so I think for 18 bucks, these things are going to work out fine. I've been going through them a little bit here. I mean, they're pretty heavy duty. You got a little flex to them, but not much. I mean, for that price, what do you expect? And whether the stainless holds up or not, that's to be determined. Now, this has got a little more flex to it, obviously, because it's longer. But for like your flapjacks or if you're trying to move your vegetables around, it's going to be fine. Same thing with the other one with the slotted, so that the oils pop through. It's got a little flex to it also. But like I said, when you're doing your other stuff, eggs or whatever it is you want, it's going to work out great. So I'm going to fold this actually into my series with the rebuild on this grill here. And you can take this cover off here, and I still have the Flavor Saver bars that I rebuilt in there, and all the burners. And I kept the grate so I can always convert back and forth, so I don't have to have 2 pieces of equipment here. I think this works out nice. I'm going to hand my camera off to my camera woman here, Michelle. Now some of these pieces, nice to get them down to nice bite size, and that works great with this. You can scrape your grill or you can just cut your meats up, and that seems to be working out fine. So hey, I'm going to give this a thumbs up. You guys give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Let YouTube know you like our videos. Please share with your family and friends. Stay tuned to some other videos coming up. If you have any questions for me or whatever, put it down there in the comments. And like I said, I'll put a link to the products that I showcase. Take care, everybody.